Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, Python 3, 8 plus pip and access credentials for the SQL Server. Install a driver library now, pyodbc is common, pip install pyodbc. Once done, make sure SQL Server TCP/IP is enabled in SQL Server Configuration Manager and that a firewall rule allows the port, usually 1433. You should also install the ODBC driver for your OS. On Windows, use the Microsoft ODBC driver. On Linux, follow distro-specific packages. Now implement the connection and query flow. Construct a connection string with driver, server, database, UID, and PWD. For Windows integrated auth include trusted connection equals yes. Use pyodbc, connect. Inside a with block so connections close automatically. Create a cursor, execute queries with parameters, pass values separately instead of string interpolation, and fetch results with fetchOwn, fetchAll, or iterate the cursor. For insert/update/delete, remember to commit. For large result sets, use server-side cursors or chunked fetch. Finish by cleaning resources and adding robust error handling. Ensure cursors and connections are closed or use context managers. Enable connection pooling for apps with many short requests. Add try/except blocks catching driver-specific errors, log details, and implement exponential backoff for transient network or auth failures. If you hit errors, make sure driver and ODBC versions match server expectations. Test connectivity with SQL CMD or SSMS, and verify credentials and firewall rules.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.